So if you want to learn how to make one of these great frappes or other ice drinks using your KitchenAid mixer, stay tuned, because with this handy little gadget that you can get from KitchenAid, you can make the most beautiful frappes ice drinks that cost a fraction of what they do in the shops. Honestly, this KitchenAid mixer, I did the review for it not long back, so you can go and check that out if you want to know more. But I said to you, it does a lot more than just mix up cakes, bakes, doughs and everything else. And so I just want to give you a quick review of it and a quick show through of exactly how it works. First up, you need to obviously take off the bowl and any other attachments. So I've just done that there. We're just going to take off this little emblem here. So we're going to unscrew, remove that and then keep it safely to one side. Here is a motor that does many things. I've said to you before, you can get pasta machines and all sorts. And this is the ice shave machine. So you just take this end here and then you place it into the top of the KitchenAid mixer. And where you took that screw out, you're just going to screw it back in again to lock it in and keep it secure. Now within this shave machine you get two options. I've got the coarse on today, so that shaves the ice coarse, but you also get this one as well as an additional one that is fine. So it's up to you which ice setting you want. Now you also get these, I think they look like little ice hockey pucks. You'll see here I've frozen one already so I can give you a good demonstration. But when they are empty, here is a top tip. You'll see there's a water line here as like a rim. It's not so easy to show you on camera, unfortunately. Maybe you can just catch there. Can you see we can catch it in the light? Do not fill the water over that level because of course water ice expands. And they each have a little cap. So if I take that cap off, and so there you can see, it's almost like a little ice puck ready to go into the machine there. I just warm it with my hands for a moment or two, just so that it gets a little bit looser to be able to put into the machine. So you will see here, there's two settings, lock and unlock. So we are just going to unlock. And you'll see there's the blade inside along with this housing. So if you wanted to change the blade, you'd have to do it carefully at the bottom. But I want this one today, so I'm not going to touch it. Then you will take your ice. This probably is sounds very simple, but you're going to place that bit at the bottom and this sort of shaped bit there at the top. Okay, so that's all in there ready to go. You'll then see there's a little arrow there and you want to try and line that up. So again, not easy to see from the camera angles, but you will see that this will turn and twist all the way to here once it's done. So I just wanted to show you that because it's not going to be easy for you to see on camera. But as I say, it's super easy. Now we just need to put something underneath to catch the ice. Turn it on and then just click that forward and it will start of its own accord. And then it will just come to the end. Can you see it's doing no more shaving? And you can turn the machine off. And there we have it. That is how easy the ice shaver is from KitchenAid. And of course, if you would like to give me a like and follow, or if you would like any of the recipes, I will link them down below in the bio, along with any of the items that I can find and used in this review today. So I hope that helps. Don't forget, if you've got any questions at all, fire them at me in the comments and I will do my absolute best to help you out.